What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be covering the SoFi stock. We had some extremely bullish news confirmed today, and that is the MSCI index has officially closed. SoFi has been accumulated inside of that index. We don't know the exact amount of shares, but what we do know is hundreds of institutions also track the MSCI index. And now that they see that the MSCI index has accumulated SoFi, many other institutions all across the world are going to begin to accumulate SoFi. And that is before we potentially get into the S&P 500, which we are one of the 14 other companies in the running right now for the next couple inclusions. Guys, it is looking extremely bullish for SoFi all across the board. I believe, the red day was just manipulation today. A lot of short selling, trying to get retail to sell before big moves like this happen. And I believe this is another, delayed reaction, just like we saw on earnings, okay? I told you guys after the dilution, it doesn't matter. The earnings were absolutely phenomenal. We're going up. The stock was trading at $20.80 on the offering. Boom, we were clearing 26 bucks like 2-3 weeks later. This is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what we're doing on this channel, guys. We're operating in a sense of reality. We don't let any bears or any market makers, short sellers dictate our strategy. We do our research, and we know that SoFi is growing revenue at 44% year over year, faster than 95% of the software as a service industry. And we know all the massive catalysts heading SoFi's way very soon. Right now, I believe it's all up to management team, guys. We have the crypto launch. They have confirmed it is going to happen inside of 2025. We have potentially 1 to 2 rate cuts going to happen inside of 2025. And of course, 10 Galileo deals have been closed. SoFi has announced 0 out of 10 Galileo deals. This is the tech platform, the technology side of SoFi. It's going to get the multiple really start to move. And so you guys also learned my strategy yesterday. I take high conviction names like a company like SoFi. I enter leap options. I take the profits from the leap options and diversify the profits into other high quality names. Once again, guys, on my VIP Patreon right now, I've listed 8 other stocks that I'm accumulating the past 2 weeks. And each and every single week, I'm going inside of the market. I'm looking for one solid opportunity to add every 1 to 2 weeks for you guys. As soon as I add it, you're going to get the buy alert. And then, of course, I listed 3 fresh leap options with different risk tolerance: high risk, moderate risk, safe risk. You have all 3 leap options inside of the VIP Patreon. It's a good time to get into those now if you believe SoFi has the big upside at the end of the year, because we just had a little bit of a sell-off today. So you're getting those on a discount from when I just listed those. And that's what you want to do. You want to buy on red. You don't want to buy on green, big green days, okay? You want to look for discounts. When you get a red day, you accumulate. You get another red day, you accumulate. Guys, some of these leap options that I'm up 600% on, I've been down, 30% on those when the market's just selling off like crazy on bad macro news. And what do? I go in, I take advantage of the fear, and I DCA. This strategy has allowed me to beat 99% of hedge funds on Wall Street. 12 months, I'm up 650%. On a 3-year, I'm up over 350%. You need to have a strategy. You need to stick to it, guys. Join the VIP Patreon. We're going to get your money right. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to work for you every single day, looking for other opportunities outside of SoFi as well. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We got a great video for you today. Let's get into it. All right, take a look at the SoFi stock today. You can see we were literally green all the way up until about 1 o'clock. Look, guys, we were literally green at 1 o'clock, and then boom, you had a little bit of short selling happen at 2 o'clock. People probably started to accumulate a little bit more, and then boom, one more little short sell-off right here, and then the stock pumped a little bit into the close at 4 o'clock today. But I want you guys to see what happened inside of that close today at around 3:55, 4 p.m. guys. Take a look at what just happened. You can see here DDI posted MSCI index has completed with a 38 million volume candle reported at the closing bell. Look at this, guys. This is the type of manipulation that happens. You get wiped out all day, double short selling, and then boom, someone comes in and just cleans up 38 million shares. Institutionals, index, just whales absolutely stealing from retail. What do you want to do on times like this? You want to accumulate. That is how you build wealth. Once again, I know a lot of you guys are getting excited hearing about these leap options that I've been entering the past couple of months. I have 3 fresh leap options posted inside of the VIP Patreon group. As soon as you sign up, you're going to get those. Now, I want to talk about gambling versus strategic investing like I like to do, allowing me to beat 99% of institutions and hedge funds on Wall Street, okay? I said yesterday my leaps were up 500%, price paid $1.13, they're trading for $6.80, $34,000 profit, okay? What do you think happened to these leaps today on a trading day like today, we were down about 2%. Okay, what do you think happened? Well, I'm gonna tell you what happened to the weekly, 1 week, 2 weeks out call options, which I tell you guys, I haven't bought those in years because I grew out of that investing strategy where I was just taking high risk plays and always losing. I don't like to lose anymore, and that's why I enter the leaps. The weekly call options were down 35% today on a little 2% move down. 35% down. What is the point of buying weeklies? They're so cheap. The market makers want to wipe you out. We had no news today and they're down 35%. That is not a good investment strategy. What do you think these leap options were down today? You have SoFi app, you got Robinhood app, go check your phone. These were down 6% today. That's all. Who cares? I'm already so deep in the money, it doesn't even matter. These little short selling day flushes, it doesn't do anything when you have solid leaps. You're down 6% versus a weekly call down 35%, okay? And once again, I recommend, you want to invest about 85% of your portfolio inside of stocks. That's very safe, I believe, and about 15% to get that accelerated growth into these leap options. And if you want to be extremely aggressive, you could go 80% stock, 20% leap options. Once again, my portfolio isn't even at that right now. I'm at about 85% stock, 15% leap options. And once again, guys, I believe today's going to be a delayed reaction. SoFi is being added to the MSCI index. It is finally complete. You can see right here as of the close, August 26. You saw the 38 million, volume candle. SoFi Technologies is added in. We got more whales buying the stock. SoFi hasn't given us any big news related to crypto. We got no rate cuts yet. Galileo deals aren't revealed. I mean, the list just doesn't stop from here, okay? The upside is out of this world. S&P 500 inclusion is coming our way. We're right now in a running with 14 other companies, guys. This is the stock you want to be in. Even in the back half of 2025, I see massive upside. My price target's $40 by Christmas. Take a look at the volume today. Indexes and whales, I believe, we're accumulating massively behind the scenes. A lot of short selling, retail getting wiped out. Retail shares are getting exchanged into big money whales' hands. And look at the accelerated volume today. 125 million volume, 75 is the average, guys. Just massive accumulation happening. And that's why you're seeing SoFi continue to build this bigger and bigger base all the way up to $26. And once again, guys, here's my updated 2025 price target. We got a lot of new people on the channel. I think SoFi is going to hit $40. Sounds wild, I know, but the timing is better than I expected. You have potentially 1 to 2 rate cuts heading your way, a crypto launch. This is going to get a ton of new users to the platform to cross-sell into new products. The S&P 500 hype is real. We are very close. One of 14 companies in the running. 10 Galileo deals have been closed. This was one of the most hated segments that SoFi had. It is starting to accelerate the tech platform. 40% growth rates in Q3, I believe, is coming. Back-to-back 40% growth rates. That's faster growth than 95% of software as a service companies. SoFi is growing insane right now. I'm telling you, Q3 and Q4 are going to be the monster quarters. Once again, guys, you need to sign up for the VIP Patreon group. The link is in the comment section. The link is in the description. It's also on my Twitter. For those of you that are extremely bullish on SoFi and you want to get a little bit more aggressive, I got those 3 leap options posted in there for you. We also have 8 other stocks that I'm accumulating right now. And each and every single week, I'm also doing deep dives and research on other companies that I'm planning on accumulating. I'm going to continue to stick to this strategy because it's working, allowing me to beat 99% of hedge funds on Wall Street. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video. We're going to continue to keep you updated on all the breaking news with the SoFi stock. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel. We'll be keeping you updated daily. Hope you guys have a great day.